Alright, in this video lesson we're going to be practicing adding decimals. So I'm going to start on my graph paper here, and I'm going to add 23 and 9/10 plus 14 and 16/100. Now see, on this graph paper I gave each digit its own box. I also gave my decimal point its own box. Now that's very important because it helps to make sure that you're lining up that decimal. It should be in a complete vertical line. Put my horizontal line here. Anytime you're adding decimals, you need to make sure that your decimal points are lined up. Also, here, after the decimal, I go up to the tenths. Here I go up to the hundredths. I want to go ahead and fill in any missing spot with a 0, and that just sort of helps as a place value holder to make sure that that I'm adding my digits carefully. Then with any addition, you're going to start at the smallest place value spot. It's going to be from right to left. 0 plus 6 is 6. 9 plus 1, that's 10. Remember, you can't have a two-digit number in the same box. So I'm going to put the ones place, which is a 0, down here, and the tens place, I'm going to bring it up top. So here's 10. Now I want to make sure I also carry that decimal point down here. Then I'm going to add 4 plus 3 plus 1, that's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then 2 plus 1 is 3. So what I'm left with is 38 and 6/100. Now you always want to go back and make sure that your answer makes sense. And how I can do that is I can just add 23 plus 14. When I do that, I get 37. Now that's very close to 38. Of course, you'd have to take into account this over here, but that's to just sort of help you make sure that you're getting a very reasonable answer.